Welcome to Active English Training. My name is Ingrid, and in this video I'm going to describe a photograph step by step. The picture shows a group of friends comforting someone who seems upset. In this picture you can see a group of young people comforting one of their friends who seems to be feeling down. There are 5 people sitting in a circle, and one of them, the man in the white shirt, is sitting with his head down. He looks sad or upset. The woman next to him is gently placing her hand on his shoulder, and she's looking at him. The others in the group are also looking at him. The way the young man in the white shirt is sitting with his head down suggests that he is feeling unhappy about something. His friends look serious and focused on him. They're not talking or interacting with each other, but their facial expressions show concern and care for their friend. The woman next to him touches his shoulder to comfort him. The mood in the group feels quiet, serious, and supportive. The room seems spacious with large windows in the background that make it bright. There's a big plant on the left, and on the right I can see part of a bicycle. The group might be meeting in one of the friends' big living room or an office space like a staff room. These young people seem to be close friends, possibly from university, work, or childhood friends. They're all dressed nicely in smart, casual clothes, which indicates that they might be meeting after work or in a break room at work. The man in the white shirt might be feeling upset because of something that happened at work. Maybe he even lost his job, or something upsetting that happened in his personal life, like a breakup with his partner, and his friends are there to support him. In my opinion, being there for a friend when they're feeling down is a really important part of friendship. Listening and offering comfort can make a friend feel better and know that they're not alone. For me personally, friendship is not just about fun moments together, which is also important, of course, but also being there for your friend in bad times or when they need emotional support.